there was a better way to shower together. Introducing the Tandem Shower, the easiest way to add a second shower head to your bathroom. The Tandem Shower optimizes the water pressure using custom-engineered shower heads. So you get all the thick hair rinsing, neck massaging power you expect, and your partner does too. No awkward shuffling when switching sides, no cold spots, no distractions. Just a shower together that makes it easy to just be together. The Tandem Shower comes with its own shower head, but can also work with your existing one. Installation is simple. Just extend the Tandem Shower until it fits tightly between your walls. Then attach the valve, hose, and shower head. That's it. No contractors, no renovations. But when you want some alone time, Tandem Shower works just as well. With 2 shower heads at once, Tandem Shower's got your back and your front. And when you need space to soap up or shampoo, simply adjust the valve to turn the second shower head off. Showering together is a great way to save time and water. But whether you're showering with a partner or alone, the Tandem Shower makes your routine anything but routine.
Hi, I'm Brett.
And I'm Jeff.
And we're the co-founders of the Tandem Shower.
Contrary to adolescent fantasies, let's be honest, showering together has always sucked. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm a hot water hog and I got tired of feeling guilty about it.
We looked for a solution, but couldn't find anything that didn't cost thousands of dollars in renovations. So we made our own. And this is our latest prototype.
Brett and I are both engineers and have been designing, building, and managing products for over 15 years at companies such as Microsoft and Amazon.
We had the idea for this business early last year. Since then, we built our first prototype and gone through many iterations.
We've also completed beta tests with a diverse group of over 50 people, including a mix of relationship statuses, heights, and gender. Their feedback gave us confidence in the idea and helped us refine the final design. We've now got our supply chain partners lined up and we're ready for mass production.
Up to now, the Tandem Shower has been 100% self-funded by us. We have our skin in the game because we truly believe this will change the way couples
or founders
shower together.
But now we need your help to fund tooling and inventory costs. Please back us and share our project to help us bring the Tandem Shower to the world.